Question number 1. What is the name of the process under which the government sells shares of PSUs? Answer. Disinvestment. Question number 2. The budget was formally introduced in India in the year. Answer. 1860. Question number 3. Consider the following statements regarding types of budget. Answer. All of these. Question number 4. Which of the following statements about the goods and services tax is accurate? Answer. The goods and services tax is an example of indirect tax under the Government Receipts Direct. Question number 5. Which of the following statements is true about an unbalanced budget? Answer. Both A and B. Question number 6. Which of the following is not a source of tax revenue collected by the Government of India? Answer. Dividends. Question number 7. Indirect tax means. Answer. There is no direct relationship between the taxpayer and the government. Question number 8. Which type of expenditure is made in bridge construction? Answer. Capital expenditure. Question number 9. Which type of expenditure is made in bridge construction? Answer. Capital expenditure. Question number 10. Which objectives do government attempts to obtain by budget? Answer. All the above. Question number 11. The expenditures which do not create assets for the government is called. Answer. Revenue expenditure. Question number 12. Which is a component of the budget receipt? Answer. Both A and B. Question number 13. Which of the following statement is correct about the budget? Answer. It is a statement of financial position for a future period, setting out proposed expenditure and means of financing it. Question number 14. A budget that measures the development outcomes of all government programs is called. Answer. Outcome budget. Question number 15. Which among the following fund is also known as an emergency fund? Answer. Contingency fund. Question number 16. If expenditure is greater than receipt, then it will be termed as. Answer. Deficit budget. Question number 17. The word budget is derived from. Answer. French word. Question number 18. N.F. Canard developed which theory? Answer. Diffusion theory. Question number 19. Unequal treatment of unequals is called. Answer. Vertical equity. Question number 20. What is the main aim of tax? Answer. Raising public revenue. Question number 21. Education is an example of. Answer. Merit good. Question number 22. The equity principle of tax developed by. Answer. Adam Smith. Question number 23. A budget where there is excess of expenditure over revenue is called. Answer. Deficit. Question number 24. Salaries and pensions paid by governments are called. Answer. Revenue expenditure. Question number 25. The Finance Commission of India was appointed by. Answer. President. Question number 26. Service tax in India was introduced in India in. Answer. 1994 to 1995. Question number 27. The principle of judging fiscal measures by the way they work is known as. Answer. Functional finance.